So good day everyone. Karon, we will be talking about deriving trigonometric function. So you have to familiarize this table here kay di ba recorded ang screen and then you cannot open notes during exam. So dapat ma-memorize ko natin siya because magamit nato na siya sa prerequisite subjects na mathematics pohon o dili lang sa mathematics no, sa mga core subjects in engineering. So the derivative of sine u is just cos u d over dx. Okay, then cosine u is negative sine u d over dx. For tan u, it's secant squared u d over dx. For cotangent, it's negative cosecant squared u d over dx. If it's secant u, it's sec u tan u d over dx. And for cosecant u, it's just negative cosecant u cot u d over dx. So, mapansin ninyo, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. No? So, dapat namay ka ng ways on how to memorize faster ang pag-derive in trigonometric functions. So, number 1, let's have example number 1. So, find dy over dx if y is equal to sine 4x. Okay, so, kani atong u, diba, si 4x. So, du over dx is just equivalent to 4. Alright. So, now we can derive dy over dx is just equivalent to, sa may derivative sa sine 4x, diba, cosine. Then, copy na to si 4x. Diba? And then, our du over dx sa 4x, ang u man na to is 4x. So, that's 4. So, your final answer is 4 cosine 4x. Okay? Next example. This one is we will be applying the power rule. No? So, dy over dx is equivalent to 3 sine squared 4x. Then, derivative sa sine 4x. So, may derivative sa sine 4x. Okay, so this would be 3 sine squared 4x. Then, derivative again sa sine 4x is, diba? 4 cosine 4x. So, therefore, may tabo is 12 sine squared 4x cosine 4x. So, times ito 4 of 3, no? So, this is your final answer, dy over dx. Okay? So, recap na to. Power rule. Then, derivative sa sine 4x. Okay, how about this one? Find g prime of x if g of x is equal to 3 sec x minus 10 cot x. So, derivative sa 3 secant x. So, g prime of x equals, sa derivative sa 3 sa secant x, diba? Secant x tan x. Okay? And then si cot x is negative cot or negative cosecant squared x. So, may tabo diri, negative, it's positive cosecant squared x. Diba? Actually, napa na siya d over dx. So, i-derive lang na to ang x which is 1. So, wala lang, useless na siya. Kaya, multiply na to siya sa 1. Wala may tabo, no? So, therefore, this is our final answer. Okay? Next. So, derive. Ang sa derivative ni tan. So, ang derivative ni tan is secant squared. So, kani siya, kabalo na taong sa may tabuan ni, diba? So, h prime of w equals negative 12 w negative 5. Tama? Yamagi. Minus 5 ni siya. Na. Minus, kani siya is, it's a product rule. So, u dv plus v du. So, ilet na to u equals w squared. Du is 2w. No? Tapos, ang v na to is tan W. Again, ang dv over dw is secant squared W. So, simple lang. So, u dv minus, ano siya, u times dv secant squared W plus v du. So, 2w tan W. Okay? So, therefore, we will have a final answer of 12, okay, minus W squared. Kanina, final answer na siya. I-rewrite na to, no? Plus 2w tan W. That is our final answer. Okay? Next, find the derivative of this one if y equals 5 sin x cosine x. Same lang yapon. This is a product rule, no? So, our u is 5 sin x. Du over dx is 5 cosine x times 1, right? So, 5 cosine x lang siya. Kani, sa atong v is cosine x. dv over dx is negative sine x, right? So, therefore, product rule, u dv plus v du. So, y prime equals u dv times negative sine x plus v du. Diba? So, so cosine squared x. So, therefore, this is 5 negative, no? So, negative 5 sine squared x plus 5 cosine squared x. So, common c, 5, negative 5. Okay, negative 5 na to, sine squared x. Na to. So, sine squared x minus cosine squared x. Wait, nakalimot punta sa 4 cosecant x. So, unsa may derivative sa 4 cosecant x? 4 times negative cosecant x cot x, diba? So, may tabaan ni minus 4 cosecant x cot x. And that is your final answer. So, medyo complicated siya if dili na ito ma-memorize ang table, but as soon as you practice solving, I believe that dali na lang siya, no? So, thank you for listening. Please answer your activities sa module. And if you have any questions, please comment sa video.